Today's students expect fast, reliable Wi-Fi everywhere on campus, from the classroom to the courtyard and even out on the lawn. For campus IT teams, meeting these expectations is no small feat, especially with the rise of bring your own device or BYOD environments. Students now stream lectures from outdoor benches, upload assignments on the go, and join video calls wherever they find a quiet spot. This shift to flexible learning means outdoor connectivity and BYOD support are now essential parts of the student experience. But providing strong outdoor Wi-Fi isn't as simple as copying what works indoors. Open spaces lack the infrastructure of classrooms, face unpredictable interference, and often have limited options for mounting access points or running power. IT teams get creative, hiding equipment in signage or light poles, and must consider weatherproofing and durability as much as signal strength. BYOD adds another layer of complexity. Students connect with a wide range of devices: smartphones, laptops, tablets, even gaming consoles and smart TVs. Some even bring their own routers or hotspots, which can cause interference and security risks. In busy areas like lecture halls or dorms, overlapping networks and bandwidth spikes can create performance issues that aren't always obvious. To tackle these challenges, IT teams use specialized tools to survey coverage, identify interference, and optimize network performance. With the right strategies and visibility, campuses can deliver reliable Wi-Fi everywhere students need it, no matter how many devices connect. Provision is an industry leader in wireless engineering, network optimization, and automation.